Hi! In front of me is CUBOT P50 and today I would like to show you how you can connect this smartphone to printer. You need to begin by opening Settings. Following that, click on Connected Devices and choose Connection Preferences. Then click on Printing. Now you can click on Default Print Service or choose Add Service and install the best one for you. For example, I have HP printers, I will go with HP one. Wait for it to download and click on the back button twice. Now tap on one of those services, I will go with HP one, and tap on this switcher if it's not already on. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!